So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This video will be pretty similar to the one I made last week, where I basically just do a recap of how I'm doing on the week. I'll give you an update of where I'm at with the Apex account, because once again I am closer to passing than I've ever been. And I still have a little ways to go. I'm about like maybe 2/3 of the way there, or not even. But still, I've been taking the evaluation since like March, and this is the closest I've gotten to passing. And yeah, I caught a nice trade on oil this morning. It was a fair value gap rejection, and I also scalped Tesla long here. I took this break and retest on Tesla. So I'm going to play the live recording of that oil trade from the pre-market. And then after that, I'll go ahead and break down both of these trades. Then I'll go ahead and show you guys my trading journal on Notion, just to kind of show you guys where I'm at in the week. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So enjoy the live trading. Alright, so it's currently pre-market. It's almost 8 a.m. and I just entered a trade on oil. It's basically a 5-minute fair value gap rejection, as well as VWAP is right around here. So it's kind of like a continuation sell-off. Oil's been bearish overall. We rejected this key supply level at 82, and now I'm basically attempting to play this to the downside to see if we can target this low here, take out that liquidity. So that's a nice close on the 5-minute. I have a simple 2-to-1 RR on this. To be safe, I think I'm actually going to bring my stop to about 41. So if you look on the chart, the VWAP is right around 37. So yeah, I think this makes sense.
Order filled.
Okay, I just went to the bathroom and came back, and looks like oil just dumped and we just hit our take profit.
Order canceled.
Honestly, I thought the P&L was going to be more. Maybe I miscalculated that, but I thought we were going to make about 60 or so. But okay, I'll take that for a pre-market trade. But yeah, look at how nice this fair value gap was. Yeah, in the overnight session, we pushed back up into the supply, rejected. There really wasn't any great fair value gaps, well, except this one here. There's one here that's above the VWAP. Still could have taken that, I guess. And then this one was below the VWAP. Pushed back up into it, gives us a nice 5-minute close. I go short, and it just shoots down. So we'll see if we go hunt this sell side liquidity here. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and break down this oil trade and show you guys the higher time frame, because I noticed that in the overnight session we rejected a key supply zone, which is why I had an overall bearish bias on oil. So I've been watching 82. If I go to the 4-hour, you can probably see why. There's some previous lows from a few weeks ago at 82, plus a low here and a few bottom wicks at 82. So if we go to the 15-minute, you can see at around 4 a.m. we came up, rejected 82, and when I saw that, I was basically looking for an entry on the smaller time frame. So once we got below the VWAP, I noticed this nice fair value gap here, and this is something that I've really been experimenting with. I've been doing some back testing with fair value gaps, and they've really kind of become a key part of my trading lately. Because I wouldn't say I'm strictly an ICT trader, but this is an ICT concept that I am a pretty big fan of. So we came to basically the middle of the gap and started to reject. So I went short, and I was targeting this sell side liquidity here, this low from yesterday. I thought maybe there would be some stops there, and sure enough, oil came down, it pierced through the level and then went straight back up. Now, I did not put my profit target at this level. I just wanted to get a 2-to-1 RR out of this trade here, so I took profit, I think, around here. So I missed out on a little bit, but not bad for a pre-market trade. So yeah, that was the only futures trade I took today. I didn't really see that much opportunity on ES or NQ. If I go to ES here, yeah, it's been kind of a slow grind to the upside type of day. I thought about taking this trend line breakout, plus it back tested the trend line and then went up, but I did not take that. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at my trading journal now. So I've taken 3 futures trades this week. Really haven't made that much progress on Tuesday. Yeah, I just realized I When I was journaling like a few minutes ago, I put the trades from today onto yesterday because I actually took no trades yesterday. So yeah, I didn't even know you could just drag them over. That makes it nice and easy. So yeah, Monday I took 2 scalps. Tuesday I took 3 trades, 2 of them are futures trades. Wednesday I found no trades, and today I took 2. So let's look at this ES trade from Tuesday. It was a break and retest, made $48. 41.80 was the zone. Let's look at my entry now. Yeah, I remember this. It was basically a bear flag at a key level. Kind of a break and retest. I went short when we started to reject 41.80, got a move in my favor, scaled out, and I saw that we swept the low and started to come back up, so I closed in profit. Next futures trade was a loss on the NASDAQ. Now this was kind of frustrating because it just barely stopped me out and then it went down in my direction. I was trying to short off of 14,400, so if we make this full screen. Off the open, we got an aggressive sell-off. Push back up into the zone, and I went short on this candle, so I thought this was like a fake out long. It kind of looked like a little bull flag, but I knew that we were inside of supply. So when I saw this candle, it closed very bearish. So I went short here, and I put my stop right above the high of that candle. So a few minutes later, it came back up, stopped me out, and then went lower. Now I definitely had an opportunity to re-enter here, and I just did not want to go red on the day. So I hesitated, and I missed out, because I could have had a nice 2-to-1, 3-to-1, and it would have been up nicely on the day. But anyway, you already saw the oil trade. Now let's take a look at the Tesla trade I took today. There was a break and retest of 214.50. So if we take a look at the entry on the 2-minute chart. Yeah, by the way, this is not a real wick. I don't know why Thinkorswim has been having issues lately with their charts. For some reason, there's a lot of misprints on the charts throughout the day. Not sure why. They're probably working on getting that fixed, but basically we pushed back above 214.50 as well as the pre-market high, came back down and retested it, and it showed me a very nice bottom wick here, so I thought it was worth giving it a shot to the upside, so I went long. My stop was going to be the VWAP, and I did have to hold through a bit of a pullback. Now I'm glad I did not panic sell, because I think the old me from 6 months ago probably would have sold when it came down here. But I stuck to my plan. It touched the VWAP and bottom wicked and went up. And I was targeting 217, the whole site number, and I took it off at basically the perfect spot. The only downside was this kind of had a low risk reward. I like to aim for at least a 2-to-1, and this was basically a 1-to-1, maybe slightly higher. So yeah, those are my trades from today. Not really, I don't really want to go over the other options trades. They're just kind of boring, and I have not been doing too well trading options lately. You can see my account is down to 188. But so far this week, I'm barely profitable. The Apple trade was a winner. Tesla short was a winner. Took a loss on Meta, and then today had a small win on Tesla. But my main focus is the Apex account. So if you see, my balance on the Apex account is at 25,903. Not real money, by the way. This is just the evaluation. You start with 25K. The goal is to make 1,500, and then you earn a PA, which is a performance account. So I've got about 600 more to go, and then I pass. The goal is to pass by the end of the year, so we will see if we can do it. And I'll keep you guys updated on this channel. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I just want to make a quick update of where I'm at with the Apex account. If you have any advice for me as a trader, please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I would love to read it and reply to you, because I appreciate any sort of constructive criticism. So I just want to keep on getting better as a trader. So that is going to be it for this video. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.